Hello guys, welcome to a video meet, and today we're first doing an actual full load wash in the Hotpoint. I've had to get everything, sorry about the delay, I've had to get everything set up and work all correctly. I've had to get the correct lamps, you can all see it, so now I have to turn on the other lights. And I've got a tripod, and I've got everything the way it was because the plumbing wasn't completely right. It still isn't completely right, it still needs to get a few things sorted out, but now I can do the videos for you guys. So, today, we're going to quickly attach my iPhone to the tripod, so you will see what's going on, like that, and then I will be moving it back like that, so then you will be able to see the machine working like that. So yeah, we're doing just a medium load of towels today, as you guys can see. And we're going to be using number 8, which is bed and bath, as you guys can see there, number 8. So once we get started, we're going to load the detergent. So we're going to be using fairy powder. I'm only using a bit because last time I overdone it and then I get too much through, so that's plenty. And now I'm going to be using, fill up the cap, like that. There we go. So yeah, let's get started. So, shut the drawer, and shut the door. Right. Let's get the camera set up correctly. You guys can see. Right. There we go. Right. We get the lamp situated correctly. There we go. And we're going to set up the program. So we're going to be using number 8. Let's turn it on. We're going to be using number 8, 60 degrees, 1400 RPM, Auto Plus. I'm not going to do extra rinse because it's going to do 3 rinses standard, and start. There we go, there's the powder coming in. There we go. By the way, 60 degrees and 1400 RPM are the maxes on this cycle. 1400 RPM is the max that the motor can do. So it does the maximum spin. It's only a little load. Also, that's, you can see the sensing. Once it's sensed, it will go to fast tumbles and it will adjust the time. Not all cycles sense, which is sometimes it can be a little bit irritating, but sometimes you don't need it to sense for some cycles. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I hope you enjoyed that stripping down that AEG washing machine. A lot of you enjoyed it, which was really good. Happy about that. Yeah, I decided, because the problem was everyone was asking, oh, where's videos of the Hotpoint, and I was like, oh god. The problem was it was just a lot of things had to be sorted out with everything, and yeah, so that's why. Yeah, it took a while to get everything working correctly, but it's alright now. So I'm going. Every load that I do from now on is going to be filmed, starting with this one. So any other load I do in the Hotpoint will be filmed, which is good. There we go. Heater started. That click means it's turned on the heater. Oh yeah, by the way, on bed and bath, it takes longer to sense on bed and bath. I think normally it would take 5 minutes, but on bed and bath, I think it takes 10 minutes to hit sense on bed and bath. 10 minutes. Okay guys, I'll see you in part 2.